Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, really wanna know.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new. Today's video I am doing another cleaning video. Big surprise, my house looks like a wreck again. I was laid out the day before with food poisoning, so I had not done anything the day before. I woke up feeling much better and I decided I wanted to tackle this mess. I mean, I don't even know what's here on my floor. It could be milk, it could be yogurt. I think it's yogurt. I think it's one of those drinkable Danimal yogurts. Either way, it's probably from my toddler. So I had woken up feeling much better. I just wanted to get the house picked back up. As you can see, there's just kind of stuff everywhere. The kitchen was definitely the worst part of everything. I felt like I had a million dishes to do, and I definitely wanted to start in on the dishes. My son was at daycare, so I only had about an hour and a half before he came home, and I wanted to try and get as much done as possible before he was coming back.
I'm kinda new with apologies. Holding back, I got history. Yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Kinda used to these battlegrounds where you flee, you don't stick around, no. But the way you've been giving me time, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. You got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright, never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you.
Now, I did mention in a previous video that we had gone to storage a few weeks before, and this little keep jewelry holder, I'm not sure exactly what it's supposed to be. I used to use it for jewelry or like my Apple Watch at night and stuff. This was in our home before when we had the fire, and I had saved a lot of actual decor pieces of Rae Dunn by washing it. Luckily it's ceramic, so it was pretty easy to wash. I'm taking this Mrs. Meyer's vinegar cleaner and putting that on it and letting it soak and hopefully get that back where it looks nice again.
Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Same old loves be my
Now, throughout this video, I am using the 7th generation all-purpose cleaner. If you watched my Grove collaborative box recently, you know that this is something new that I purchased, and I liked the smell, and I am obsessed with it. It smells so good, and it left my counters looking great with no streaks. So I definitely recommend trying it out if you have not tried it.
You know it still hurts a little bit, but not that much. 'Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I've been thinking about you all the time, but that's alright. I'm starting to get used to it, think I'll survive. I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer.
You guys may have noticed that I did take all of my Easter decor down, so I'm really not sure what I want to do with this shelf at the moment. I did just get this little spice rack in. I ordered it off of Mercari. I am obsessed with it. I love it, but I don't really know how I want to decorate that shelf yet, so you'll probably see it change multiple times over the next few days, weeks, months, I mean, however long. I'm sure it's going to constantly be changing. But if you have any ideas, let me know in the comment section.
It's kinda quiet in my room right now without you, and I couldn't really make you stay, so what to do? I'm just staring at my walls and talking to myself. Now and then I'll try to laugh, but I'll cry a bit as well. I was never any good at being away from you. I met you in the summer. When you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer. Our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you. I'm so alone. I met you in the
Now, if you guys are ever looking for any faux plants, this is one that I love and I always get compliments on it. It's only $5 at Target. Target really has the best selection of faux plants for affordable prices. I did purchase that one for my sister because she's always trying to steal mine. I have the exact same one and I love it.
You know it still hurts a little bit, but not that much. Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I met you in the summer. When you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer. Our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you. I'm so alone. I met you in the
Now, I was almost out of time before it was time to go get my son from daycare, so I did go ahead and take my e-cloth mop. It works really well. You just get it wet, and I am absolutely obsessed with it for quick cleanups like this. I wanted to make sure that I got this area cleaned up before my son came home and pulled a chair over onto his head. For this video, I did decide to include some of like our family life in between my cleaning. This night I was making chicken patties. My kids love them. For my son, I just cut them up, and my daughter just likes eating them plain. It was her favorite meal at school, so it was definitely an easy, quick dinner. Say kennel. Yeah. Oh, you gotta open it. There you go. Now my son does love putting our dog in his kennel. Don't worry, our dog loves it. He does go into the kennel every night when we are about to eat dinner. He is a deep-chested dog, and so we always kennel him about 30 minutes before we feed him. So it works out perfect that we feed him after we eat dinner and we kennel him right when we're about to sit down. Now I did just make a chopped Caesar salad from Walmart. Super simple, and it's all in a bag ready to go. And I still wasn't feeling 100%, so I just wanted to be able to have something quick and easy. I didn't want to have to fight my kids on what we were going to have for dinner. Mostly my daughter. My son pretty much eats whatever, whenever, all times of the day. But I did go ahead and chop up my chicken and throw it on top of the Caesar salad and had a side of fruit. And then we all had the same meal and sat down at the table. Frozen was playing on in the background, and my son loves that movie.
yeah!
Now, if you couldn't decipher that toddler singing, that would be Into the Unknown from Frozen 2. My son is obsessed with it. He sings it all the time, and it is his favorite song, and we can't help but laugh because it's just so cute. He is so into it, and it's really the first movie that he's been into. Now, he does take his job very seriously of feeding our dog, so we went ahead and let him feed the dog, and then the dog stays in the kennel for about 30 minutes afterwards.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on.
Say night night.
My heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day.
Now, we are about to get a new washer and dryer delivered at the end of this week, and I am so excited. Our washer has given us so much problems, so I've really been slacking on doing the laundry. However, I did go out and buy my daughter a bunch of new underwear because she had sized out of her current size. So I did go ahead and replace all of it. I probably went way overboard and bought too much, but that is why it looks like literally all I'm folding out of her laundry is underwear, because it is all new, and I was putting the other ones to the side in order to throw away because she was out of that one officially. But it did cut me off while I was folding, but I did go ahead and fold all of her laundry, and then I did go into her room and put it away.
You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Just tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire.
Say something like you love me and make my day, like you always do, like you always do. Hold my hand and look me in the eyes so I can tell you how I feel, tell you how I feel. Every day is something new. If I cheap at you now. Now we can go anywhere you like and do anything you want, anything you want. 'Cause every day is something new. If I spend it with you, with you, with you. Oh, I want you right now. Oh, I need you right now. You right now. My world is spinning round, round, round. Oh, I want you now, now, now. My world is spinning round, round, round. And I want you now, and I want you now. My world is spinning round, round, round. Oh, I want you now, now, now. My world is spinning round, round, round. And I want you now, and I want you now, and I want you now.
Tick tock, the clock keeps ticking. I don't know what I should do, and I wish you would be right here with me. My mind is filled with pictures of
The last thing that I did want to do was go ahead and take my crosswave and clean the floors. I was honestly so tired by this point, and the crosswave is probably one of my favorite things that I have ever purchased. If you've never heard of it, it is a vacuum and a mop at the same time. It basically works like a carpet cleaner, but it's meant for hardwood floors and rug. We do have LVP flooring, and it works great on that. It got all of that, whatever that mess was, up over by the fireplace up so easily. It doesn't, I don't think, deep clean as well as like the O-Cedar mop, because you have a lot more control and can scrub, but it does do a really, really good job, and I am obsessed with it. It is probably one of the top 5 things that I've ever purchased that I would definitely repurchase again if I ever lost it or it broke. But that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. And if you are new, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
so much better. I miss you so bad, won't you come back to me? I've got you in my head, you're all that I see.